Hey, so what's up? It's Keith. So how are you? So this is chickweed, foraging the wild edibles. This is what chickweed looks like. It's good stuff. I think I've already done a video on this. Well, I'm just foraging it now. So I'll make a salad dressing with it in my next upload, or just a sauce. I've been making this pretty much every day. So if you want to look at it really up close, and when you touch it, it's sticky. It has a stickiness to it. That's how you know that's it. And it comes up really easy. See that? I'm gonna get a bunch of this. Yeah, it's just over here. My friends they're clearing here. It's all got to be cleared out for the fire season. Might as well use this instead of sending it to the dump, right? So, got some rap music accompaniment there. But hey, this stuff is a diuretic. So it's not the kind of diuretic, and I think I said this in my video last year, it's not the kind of diuretic that sends water out of you. So diuretic just means that it moves water, right? This sends water deeper into you. So it's really, really good for hydration. And I'm actually using this alongside herb called red asparagus root, or Tine Mendong is the Chinese name for it. So just harvesting it now, and I shall show making it tomorrow. Salad dressing, a sauce. Really easy stuff. Gonna take all that right there. Probably some more. All right, it's Keith, Live Rockstar, signing out. This is chickweed. Get your wild edibles. It's the season. Later.